Your job is not your life. It is just a job. I shall explain the reasons. Number one, your company is not your family. Companies exist primarily for profit and are not responsible for your personal well-being. Number two, your colleagues are not your friends. Keep in mind that people have their own interests and motivations. Number three, if something bad happens to you, your company can easily replace you. Number four, stop believing corporate propaganda, which is designed to brainwash and enslave you to a job. Number five, come to your workplace, do your job, get paid, and go home. Remember that there is more to life than just your career. Drop yes in the comment if you agree with me.